All right, let's get it, fellas. Let's see what we do. Ah, let's see what we do today, guys. We are coming down, guys. So I've been holding this trade. I've held one, two, three, came back up and started retracing that, and I started scaling out. So I got out. The last one was right here. Let's see what we do, guys. It looks like we could be coming back down to what is it? 300s. I want to see it go back down all the way to 300. See if that's possible, guys. All the way back down to 300. That would be nice, actually, if we can get that drop. All the way back down to that 50, fellas. We did get that crossover, though. See what we do, guys. Here. I wanted to get it below this 430, I mean 378 level, guys. And all the way down here. 322, that would be nice. I might just start scalping this, guys. I'm gonna go start scalping this. Get that push up real quick. See if we can get a little push. See if we can get that little push. It's right if it comes up a little bit. I'm okay with it coming up. Come on. Estoy bien. Oh, let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens, fellas. Let's get that reversal up there. Let's look at the 1 minute. I'm gonna wait for another little push back up and then get into another uh, contract to the downside, guys. See what we do. Come on. I'm gonna have to get out here in a minute, guys. There we go. Got out. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna wait till it retraces back just a little bit. I need to hurry up and start scalping this stuff, guys. Thanks for the follow, fellas. Come on, start pushing down. Got out. All right, guys, let's look for another push back up. Just wait, see what happens, guys. We're at the bottom of the range, so. No, no sé, no tengo conocimiento de eso. Hold on. ¿Tiene conocimiento de operar futuros en con Charles Schwab, con Thinkorswim? No. No sé usar esa plataforma. All right, guys, let's see what we do here. Um, I'm thinking we could possibly come back to this 50 and then shoot back down. I'm not sure, but I know we can go back down to this level right here. 380. 380, guys, is what I'm looking at. 380. So all the way down here. We're really at the bottom of the range, guys. Let's see what we do, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till we get up here. That's way at the bottom, guys, of the range. I'm gonna get up topper here. Let's look at the 3 minute, see what's going on the three. I'm gonna wait till we get up topper here, guys, to enter into a secondary position. Downtrend, yeah. I'm watching this right here, the 380 all the way down to 300s. See if we could actually get that. It's already 241, fellas, so I don't know. I don't know how this play is gonna turn out. So I need to get out of the play. I need to get out of that one. I think they might be trying to push this thing up, guys, so you got to be careful. I don't know if I should go into a long position, guys. I really want to be careful around here, fellas. I'm gonna wait till we reach up here again, and then I'll go into a short position. Wait for a decent pullback, guys. Shit. Just wait for it, fellas. I'm gonna wait for it to come up here. Might get into a secondary position, guys. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait after this 50. Sorry, 245, guys. I'm seeing all the way down to 300. Let's look at the 60 real quick. All the way down here is what I'm seeing, guys. They already crossed over into the stochastic, so. See, it's Ninja Trader. I don't know, we might not even go back down, guys. I don't know. ¿Con qué indicator hace que el precio tenga la línea? Oh, esta línea. A ver, let me see. Se llama Priceline. Ahí está. All right, fellas, let's see what we do, guys. All right, so we got a reversal here, possibly. Um, then, all right, guys. So I'm guessing this could possibly be the reversal. Um, I'm gonna try to, I'm gonna try to break even on this. Let's see how far up it can go, and then I'll try to see if I can break even to the downside. Let's look at the 5, guys. I got too much going on here. $32.49, guys. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait for see if we can get a reversal back down. Let's check a look at the 15. I'm seeing levels down here, fellas. I'm seeing levels down here. So, what's that? Seeing levels to the downside, guys. Come on. Jeez. Well, fellas, we're just gonna have to wait, see what happens. Looks like we might be coming back up. No stop loss. No. Thanks for the follow, for real. I'm looking at the Qs at 492.90, so we might be going up to 492.90. I'll get it at 492.90, guys. And get out. Nah, I'm gonna hold this one. I'll be all right. It's not gonna liquidate me, guys. What's going on, crypto? It's not gonna liquidate me, guys, so I'm fine for right now. I'm not gonna be liquidated. What you been up to, crypto? So I'm not I won't be liquidated by this trade, guys. It's just a little bit. It's not too much. If you're free at 2, okay, I'll get on. I'll definitely get on. All right. Awesome. All right. 493 guys. That's what I'm looking at right now. 490 492.91. 492.91. My week's been all right. I'm gonna have to change my schedule here soon sometime. But it's been good. Same old as usual, man. This is MNQ. Yeah, I'm short on it, but I got down to this bottom. I figured we were gonna break out. We're gonna close it down here so that way we can drop to the 300s. But um, you know, it already bottomed out on the 1 minute on the stochastic. So I'm just gonna wait for 342.91. Once it reaches the 342.91 on the Qs, and I'm gonna put in more. I'm gonna put another contract in on the Qs. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm not scared. I'm not gonna be liquidated. So your 5 contracts. Well, if you're 5 contracts and you know, I'd say if you know your threshold or whatnot, your drawdown, if you have a drawdown, then you should be fine. No, I don't do stop losses, guys. I can manage my stuff pretty well. I'm gonna wait to 492.91, guys, to get into another short if it does go up there on the QQQs, guys. 492.91. That's my next entry for shorting. I do want to see these 300s right here be taken out. So let's see what happens, guys. Check out that 1 hour, guys. Look at that 1 hour. See, let's pull it up. It gets like it's a mess here, guys. I can't really show you that well here. Look at this. Hold on. We have this big wick right here. I think that we're possibly going to fill this one in. I'm going to wait for that 192.91, guys. 192.91 on the Qs to get into another contract if we do go up there. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep holding. Come on, baby, let's get it. It's only 301, guys. Only 301. It's only 301, guys. Check out that 1 hour, guys. Look at the 1 hour chart. $302, guys. I'm getting very impatient here. $492.91, guys, is my next entry. $492.91 on the Qs. So once I break even, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take out one contract. If we do break even, I'm just gonna take off one and then just sit back and watch and see what happens. It's gonna be very close and tight, guys. I should have just set one right there. Don't get too greedy either. Got one out, guys. I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and see what happens, fellas. That's all we can do right now. Is the one what you put in? What do you mean? Yeah, just have one in, if that's what you're asking. Uh, I'm looking for those 300s, guys. I'm thinking, I believe, I don't know. I'm watching this area right here, the 372s. 372s, guys. So if it does come back up here, guys, I'm going to be looking at 391. I mean 392.91 to enter into a secondary position and for the shorts, guys. If not, I'm going to keep on holding this and see what happens. I do want to see it come back down here. If you're looking at the 1 hour, guys, or the 30 minute, we have all this to take out. We have all this to take out. Oh, you're trying to make it happen? Gotcha. Um, yeah, you know what I would say? I would say for beginners, just stick to one contract. That's all. Don't go no more than until you perfect it, until you know how to hedge your positions or until you know how to save. Let's say if it does go the wrong way, like today for me, it did go the wrong way. I thought we were going to initially have that drop in the beginning. When did it open? 9:30. Where's 9:30? Right about here. I got into a position thinking is we were going to go ahead and break down, but I ended up opening one here, opening a secondary here, and opening a third one here. And then we came up a little bit and started coming down. Then I started scaling out here, here, and then the last one down here because I initially thought, well, we're already at this point, right? A lot of times we do retrace back up and keep going higher. So that's why you want to be able to break even, guys, and just use like one contract at a time, you know. If you can let one track contract go all day and not affect you guys, then you can start scaling in more contracts in, but just small. Don't put in 5 contracts right in the middle of it and then expect it to turn around right away. That's not how it works, guys. And you'll be liquidated quick like that. You made 300 bucks. That's good for you, brother. Good for you. Yeah, that's 21. This is MNQs, guys. I do mess with NQs, but later on. Like today, if I would have stayed in till about 11 something, I would have messed with NQs afterwards. But yeah, I don't mess with NQs, guys, whenever I'm on stream. I just don't do that just because I need to concentrate. So be patient off the first one. Yes, be patient. Be patient with that first one, guys. I'm looking at Sorry for the black screen. I can't fix that, guys, but if you're looking at right here, I'm looking at the 300s down here, guys. I'm looking at the 300s. So, like, guys, like $300 days, guys, $200 days, even $1. If you're in the green, guys, that's a win. Be patient with this stuff, guys. Like, I can close this out right now and not be bothered. I'm fine. I honestly, I really don't care, guys. Like, if it does go the wrong way again, I will try to break even and it will not bother me. I will know that if I do break even, that's still a win for me. You trying to conserve your capital, guys. What I mean by break even, so let's say you put a position right. Let's say this is your entry point right here where this line is at. Let's say it goes the wrong way and it comes up. If you're setting another position up here, this line will come up in the middle between your first initial position and your secondary one. So basically, when you break even is when that second one crosses over uh, this line again that's up here, and that would be your break even. So basically, you would have made all that. You would have made on that secondary contract. You would have made that money and broken even pretty much. Average, yeah, there you go. Or you can hedge your positions, guys. You can hedge your positions, which go short here and go long on MES or something, and play both ways. It's already 311, guys. Like initially, guys, I did not take like a lot of trades today. Like I only took in the beginning from 9:30 all the way. I held it until 12, and then I started letting loose right here, 12:40, and then I started scalping right here, guys. I started scalping here. So let's see what's going on with the 1 minute, guys, because I started below here on the MACDs. I don't know why y'all can't. I don't know why it doesn't show on here. Like I fix it every single time where it shows the MACDs, but for some reason it just keeps wanting to hide again. So you know what? I'm about to just start scalping, guys. I'm not seeing any kind of real movement just yet. Like there's just nothing. Not yet. That's why I don't like to hold these because I could scalp all day, guys, and make about 80 trades and be up 300, 400, $500. You know, like right now I'm only up $83. That's because I was holding this one all morning and I left. I left this position open while I was gone. But I do see levels at 300, guys. 380, 360, 340, 320, 300. I think I've been calling those out all morning though, but it went to the highs today first, and then we started to come back down. $83. I'm about to start scalping, guys. I'm about to get out and just start scalping. No, you don't. It's not. No, first what you want to do is, so if you're a beginner, I wouldn't start off right away with real money, guys. Like, just get an account like this and play with a simulated account and just pretend, change your settings to about $1,000 if you're initially going to put $1,000 in, like, and just work with that and just try to be profitable. If you're not profitable, then you're going to lose that money. If it is real money, you're going to lose it. It's going to be gone. So just expect that, guys. Even when I first started, um, I started by putting real money in it and I lost it. Um, starting out, and then yeah. So you don't want to do that, guys. Y'all just want to mess with simulated accounts, make it realistic. Don't start off with $100,000, you know, simulated account. That's just not realistic, guys. And even on prop firms, guys, if you're using prop firms, those drawdowns, those are your actual. So the simulator, do I get paid it? No, that's not how it works. The simulation is basically just a simulation. It's like it's not real money. You're just the simulation is for you to practice, I would say, to get the feel for the markets. But if you do prop firms, you can do a prop firm, pay about $50 and get one of their challenges, pass one of their challenges, and then get one of their funded accounts, and then you can get paid by that one. But you have to actually make a certain amount or hit a profit goal um, just to get a payout, you know. What is it? Apex is you got to make a certain amount. Once Apex is like when you get a certain amount on a funded account on Apex, whenever you get a you're supposed to get a profit target that you're supposed to meet, and then after that you can get paid. With Top Step, same thing. You just have to make up, I think, $500 for 5 days, then you can get paid. What's the amount? It depends on, what you're trying to do. They have 50K accounts, I believe. I don't remember. Something like that. And it's like the cheapest one, I think, is like $49. And then the higher the count is, the the more costly it is. I should have just scalped, guys. I'm about to start scalping. Let's see what we do. Let's look at the 5 minute. All right, I'm gonna start scalping, guys. We're not getting anywhere here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I got out. All right, guys, let's start scalping here. Looks like we are probably getting a reversal here, so I'm gonna wait for a little drop and then get into a little long position. It's 3:17 right now, so I think we have enough time to be playing. I'm gonna wait for a little small drop, guys. Come on. Missed that one. All right, it's all good. I might just go ahead and hop on in, guys. Don't get too don't get too happy with your trigger finger, guys. I'm out, fellas. I know that's a little bit, but you do this 1,000 times, guys, and it'll work. Y'all be profitable. You do those little small little ones and twos and fives here and there about 1,000 times, guys. You'll make some money. Trust me. It's not really moving a lot, guys, so I don't think I'm going to be playing for long. We're not really getting any big moves, so there we go. We're not really getting any big moves, guys, so um, we're almost close to an hour right now, so let's see what happens, guys. I don't like holding these. I want it to drop just a little bit more down here, and I'll get into a long. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm waiting. Yeah, that's not good. Whatever just happened just then, guys, is not good. It's not good. Well, at least not for, I don't think, long positions, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna try it though. gonna try it though. Actually, you know what? You know what I'm seeing from here? Seeing this. In order for me to go to long position, we need to pass this level here. 423, guys. If it can't get above 420, 424.50, then I'm not considering any long positions, guys. So I'm just gonna wait. You gotta be patient with this, guys. Watch your 30 seconds. Watch the 30-second chart, guys, and be careful. Because this could be at the top of the range too, guys. This could be the top of a range. So, and what I mean by that is right here. So depending on what happens here, guys, depending on what happens here, either we go short here or we go long. Sorry, 323. We probably have to wait till 3:30 till those options expire, guys. Those ODTEs. Speedy the car, what's going on, brother? I see you. Oh, he was in here. All right, guys. So let's see what happens. Thinking I'm gonna go ahead and get into a. It's really hard to tell, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into a short if I can get to it. I missed it, guys. Don't get too eager to get into a trade, guys. Let the trade come to you. Like, don't do what I just did. We got about 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes to those ODTEs expire, guys. It's really not moving a lot, guys. This is not I don't like the way it is right now. It's boring. I hate boring, guys. I really do. We come back to that what was it, 421? 492.91, guys. I'm getting into a different, not a different, but I'm getting into another short position, guys, at 421.91. 421.91, guys. So let's see if it holds this. Oh, there's already a trend line there. This is on the 3 minute, guys. Wow, so slow, guys. Super slow. Yes, I'm profitable. Thirty-three 000. And that was options. That's not futures, guys. I just started futures. I got into futures. I was doing options trading. Was it? It wasn't last year. I was doing options for the past what was it? The past 3 years I was doing options. I made last year I made 33 on the options. I made 17,000 on Nvidia and I made plenty of money on Tesla. This is boring, guys. There's no movements here, guys. Hmm. I'm going to be getting in at 492.91, guys. Another contract 492.91. I don't think discussing on how much I made is going to help you out. How does that help anyone out? I'm seeing levels at 380, 360, all the way down to 300, guys. Look at that 1 hour. It proves that you're consistently profitable or lucky. Just join. Why don't you just join the live and just see for yourself? Just because I'm in the red right now does not mean I don't know how to average up or down. I mean, I know how to save my stuff, guys. That's why you don't get into 5 or 10 contracts all at one time. It just doesn't make any sense. Unless you have that kind of money to be putting in like that and not even worrying about whether it's going to be liquidated, then I would understand. I am seeing levels down at 380, 360, 340, guys, all the way down to 300. We're creating a wick. So if you're looking at the 3 minute, guys, we see this wick here. We see more here. A lot of times you're not joining without proof. Well, this is free, so it's not really joining, it's just you're watching the live. um, if you're looking at the 3 minute, guys, look at this wick here. Pay attention to wicks, guys. A lot of times these things get filled, but that's not the only reason why I'm getting in as for short positions. I'm seeing that stochastics on the 30 minute were facing down. I'm looking at the MACDs. There was a crossover. I'm looking at the EMAs. We are below this 50 on the EMAs. And usually the 7 and the 21, when they cross, is usually we like to get a really good pullback and then come back down from those guys. So Guys, even if you're in the green, a dollar, two, three, 5 cents, 10, $20, guys, just take it. There's no reason to be holding this stuff, guys. Every time it comes, if you know it's going to go down, every time it comes up, get into a position, let it fall back down again. Get out. Every time it does that, it retraces back. You know, do that same process 1,000 billion times, and I can guarantee you, you will be profitable doing that. I can get out of this position right now and be fine. I don't care. I don't care if it's 10 bucks. See that? Look, I don't care, guys. I got out. I know I'm safe. Who cares if it runs, guys? It does not matter. Anyways, fellas, I got out of that position, guys. Looks like we are going down to that 380, 360, 340, all the way down to 300 possibly, just depending on whether or not we get that FU candle or not, guys. So just be careful. It's already that 338, guys. Just be careful, guys. Take your profits. When you're in the green, take your profits. It does not matter. Who cares if it runs? There's more opportunities every single day. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. Alrighty. Si ganas, ganas el doble. Yeah. 338. All right, guys, let's see what we do. So I want to wait, see if it breaks this structure here. If it breaks here, guys, this structure, I'm going to wait for a pullback, and then I'm going to enter for a long position. But if not, then I'm just going to be downside. I'm just going to look for those down positions, guys. Check all your time frames. Look what your stochastics are doing. Look at what your MACDs are doing. Look at your EMAs. Look at the candles. See what they're doing, how they're closing. Look at the bar, the timing. A lot of things play a big part, right? So let's see if we close above this level here, guys. Right up here. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. Had a phone call. Anyways, let's see what we do, guys. Looking at the 10-minute, um, we're losing volume on the 10-minute, guys, on the MACD, so looks like we might be heading up to the upside soon. So just look for that. Look for positions to the upside. All right, guys. Look for that position to the upside. Um, if we can't get below this level here at 394, we can't go below those levels, guys, then we're probably heading up. So just be careful. We can get an FU candle. Sorry, mano, yo perdí con una micro que... Si puedes agarrarlo para atrás, sí. Guys, look, I'm looking for right now. I swear, I need like a Hispanic community trading. Voy a hacer una comunidad español para que puedan entenderme. Por ahorita nomás podemos a trabajar lo que Nomás miran lo que estoy haciendo. All right, guys. So, all right, guys. Give me 1 second, fellas. Hola. Um, Try to look for if we can't close below these levels, guys, right here. We can't close below here. Then look for long positions to the upside. Hold on. How do I get an arrow here? How do I get an arrow? Is there any way? Chart marker. There we go. If we can't break below here, guys, we are going possibly going up. Look at your MACD levels. All right, on the 10-minute, we are losing volume. So unless we really get a bad candle, guys, I don't think we're possibly going to keep going down. So just look for the forward reversal, possibly around here. But anything is possible, guys. Anything is possible. So this might be the bottom of the range. So if you can get in here, this is a good way to put a stop loss at, guys. If this is a good opportunity to put a stop loss. If you want to do stop losses, then this would be perfect. You would set a position right here. You would set a stop loss right here at this section right here, guys. Right there. You would put a stop loss right there. Or you can just go a little lower. But that would be a great example of, how you I would do it if I would have set a stop loss, guys. Because we're still in between the range. This is the range right here. This yellow fill. Voy a tener una página de trading. ¿Cómo se dice trading en Spanish? Um, en español para que la gente entiende lo que estoy haciendo. All right, guys, we're going up. We're starting to get a push back up. We have to break out of this range, guys. Come back, retest that, and then keep going higher, guys. So, or I mean, possibly you can get in now, guys. I mean, it's like I said, don't ever do this, guys. Don't ever get into in the middle of the range. It's not a good idea. Always get at the bottom of the range, set your stop loss if you need to, and uh, and just do it like that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this one if I can. There we go. See how that's done, guys? Now you just wait till you get down here. All right, let's say that you want to get into a secondary position. You would enter right here, guys, somewhere around here, and put a stop loss. You would put a stop loss right around. You would put a stop loss right around here, guys. Just wait for a retracement back. Put in a long position right there to go up. Now, if it let's say it blows through there, guys. If it blows through there, do not get into no position, right? Because it already disrespected that area. It cannot close um, below that area. Otherwise, go ahead and start looking for shorts. Let's look at the 5 minute. We're still the middle of the range. Damn, I missed that, guys. Missed this play. It's all right, guys. You get opportunities every single day. You get opportunities every single day. Wait for a small pullback, guys. If it breaks through this level, guys, we need it to break both of these levels, guys, to keep going up. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna enter. This is a very bad spot here. Unless you know for sure that you can go short. Another great example too, guys. You can put in a short position right here with a stop loss right above the this high right here, right? If you know for a fact that we're going short. Otherwise, just wait for entries, guys. Wait for entries at the bottoms, tops, bottoms, tops. So I'm gonna wait for another little pullback and then I'll enter into a long position. Or I'll wait till it hits the 7 right here. We're getting that break, guys. I'm not entering just yet. I'm not going to. It's very dangerous right here, guys. I mean, or you can enter if you want to. I'm not scared. I'll enter. Let's see what we do. I just want to see a little small pullback. That's it. That's it. That was luck. That was luck. I don't know what happened there, guys. I know y'all saw that, though. I know y'all saw that. That was pretty cool, though. That was really cool. There we go. Let's see. Come on. Let's see what we do, guys. I'm gonna wait for it to come back, see if it does. Or we can just go ahead and enter, guys. See what happens. I'm gonna wait, fellas. This thing could go sideways very quickly, guys, so you just be careful. can come all the way back down here. I'm gonna put another contract down here if it does come down here, guys. Sorry, I'm over here repeating myself. Ooh, it's already 3:52. Yeah, we're gonna have to get out of here this soon. Sí, son futuros. All right, let's see what we do, guys. We got about, we got to hear, we got only a little bit, guys. No, es M-N-Q. M-N-Q, guys. All right. Come on. Let's go up. Sí. Pero es M-N. All right, guys. Let's see what we do, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out. I got out. That's it, guys. That's it for me today. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not doing nothing else, guys. That's it. Y'all can run it up all the way to the top, fellas. All the way to it. Y'all can run it up to the top, guys. I'm not going in. Y'all can run it up to the top. Actually, you know what? I got in. I got in just for the hell of it, guys. 354. All right. Porque con muchos contratos puedes ganar dinero, tan siquiera 300. I'm gonna have to get out of this one, guys. We can still come back all the way down here. Come back all the way down here, guys. We can still come back all the way down here. I was being greedy. I was being greedy because I wanted it to break out of here and just keep riding up, guys. We got about 5 minutes, but that's okay. This is not gonna. This doesn't bother me, guys. This doesn't bother me at all. We got about 3 more minutes, guys. This is a bad spot. No, casinos no sirven. I'm about to enter into a secondary position, guys. 3:57. Got 3 more minutes. Actually, you know what? They're open until 4:10. So I'm gonna keep this trade in, guys. See if we can take it all the way up here. If not, we can come back all the way down here. Déjalo. Voy a esperar. Voy a esperar. Watch. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hold this one, guys. I'm gonna hold this one. It's all right. I'm being greedy today. It's okay. It doesn't bother me. 58. Damn, man. I'm about to get into. Pero mejor ni este. Ya sé. I know. Oh, I'm gonna wait, guys. Come on, give me something. Got 1 more minute. Maybe after this 3:59, maybe it might just bounce after 4 o'clock, guys. Oh gosh. Jesus. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. All right. On Coinbase, I don't even have Coinbase. I don't mess with crypto. I don't mess with crypto, guys. I think I have Coinbase. Well, I did before, but I did have Coinbase before. Kind of curious as to what might happen. Where is it at right now? What is a call or a put? I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing long positions right now, so calls. I'm seeing calls right now. Like I said, anything can happen, guys. We can come all the way back down here and then bounce back up, or we can just keep going down. It's not going to bother me though. I really don't care if it does go down. I'm already good for today. Yeah, I'm seeing long positions, guys. Oh, what is a call or a put? Oh, so basically you're like buying shares at a premium price, so like 100 shares per contract, you know? Oh, thanks for the follow. Um, I love TL. I might be getting on. I'll. How do you get into a trade? How do you get into trading? By going to a broker platform and just sign up. Got to be 18 years or older. Deposit some money and start clicking some buttons. It's that simple. $20 is nothing, guys. Negative $20 is not going to do anything for me. Yeah, you can do Ninja Trader. You got, well, if you want to trade futures, you got Ninja Trader, you have Webull, you have, just look them up, guys. You know, you want to trade options and, you know, and regular stocks. Um, you can go to, you know, Thinkorswim or Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and you have all the other ones. Yeah, future. Yeah, I like Ninja Trader for futures, guys. And there's different variety of ones too. So um, each and every one has their, you know, has their pros and cons. But just do your research, guys, and and just, you know. So Weeble don't work for futures, guys. That's what Whitman says. Or the Whitman or Whiteman? Whitman. I don't know. I never used Weeble. All I know is, I mean, I use Weeble for charting because that's what I have right here. But um, yeah, exactly. Yeah, you'll be rich in a day, guys, if you trade futures. You might get rich tomorrow. Who knows? You might get a lucky waterfall. Nah, man, y'all can't. There's no way. No way, you know, you cannot get rich off of this stuff. I mean, you can, but it's highly unlikely if you're messing with like a little bit of money, guys, there's just no way. Not unless you're actually um not unless you're actually putting the whole thing in there. Thanks for that. 20K off Top Step. Nice. That's for what? Oh, Whitman's been doing for 5 years. How's that going? You're a futures mentor? Nice. Well, that's good. I made $33,000, or it was it on 17 on Nvidia last year and uh 10 on or 13 on Tesla last year. You want to work sometime? I'll think about it. I'll think about it, guys. I'm always riding solo either way. I got to hop on at a meeting at 5, but yeah, I'll think about it, man. It's already 4:07, guys. No, not really. I know a lot of traders that don't that they work for themselves and they're not that bad. You got a whole team behind you or what? Padre, ¿dónde debes? Sí, ya sé, ya sé. I know, guys, I messed up right here. That's because I figured since we there was already a big push, we would keep going higher. But see, a lot of things change. Everything changes, guys. You gotta it's a reaction, get in and get out. But I was being greedy, so that's why I'm still in this trade, but it's all right. $40 is nothing. What negative $40. I already made what 350 today. That's not marketing structure. What do you mean what trade is this? Yeah, this is I'm gonna have to shave it off here in a minute, guys. And then I will be on tomorrow. When in doubt, back up to the basics. Never get married to an entry. I know. I'm about to shave it off here in a minute, guys. I mean, I'm already up. I'm already up today, so I'm not even worried about it. I'm not even worried about it. This does not hurt me at all, guys. I'm already up. So, yep. Great emotion managed family. It's all right, guys. But anyways, fellas, so what happened today was, let's see, I got into three plays here in the beginning. I got into this one because I figured, all right, this is the top of this range here. We'll bring it back down. It did go back down. I did not close that position because I thought we were going to flush. Then it came back up, got into a different one. I left this position open pretty much the entire day. I wasn't here from here to down here. I think I got off around 10 something. And then I entered a secondary position here. Then I entered another third one here, and then came back up. We went back down, started scaling out right here, and then I got out from the third one somewhere around here. Then I started to scalp all through here, guys. So it's good stuff. Good stuff. How much y'all make today? Anybody? Let's see what we got. All right, so let's take away these. What is it called? These markers. Can't really see them. I mean, can't really see the candles. I do want to see it come back up here, though. Today's a good day, guys. I managed to make a good decent amount today. So let's see what we do. I'm looking at all this right here, guys. This is what I'm seeing. Um, I'm seeing that. I'm seeing this right here. I'm also seeing this right here, guys. This is what I'm seeing, guys. Is all this right here. I don't know why it does this. So if it breaks here, guys, we're probably going up. So, all right, fellas, was a good day today. I'm already up. I hope everybody made some money today. Um, I'll be back on tomorrow around I'd say around 9 o'clock. The times are gonna vary from now on because I got stuff that I gotta get done. But I hope everybody made some money. Um, manage your risk. Discipline yourself. Um, I'd say don't over leverage, guys. Just with if you can hold one contract all day and be fine on both ways, whether it goes sideways or not, then you're good. Um, then you should be entering, because that's what I do, guys. I only enter one contract, get into a secondary one. If it does go the wrong way, either average up or down, whatever, into a second one, into a third, wait for a reversal, and then do what you need to break even. Um, so that's the only thing I do, guys. But anyways, fellas, I hope y'all made some money today. I will be back on at 9 o'clock tomorrow, and thanks for tuning in, guys. But that's it for me, guys. I already did good today. I already did well. So, all right, guys, I will see y'all tomorrow. Um, let's see what I'm gonna see what happens. I might get on later on. I will see what happens after hours, and we'll and see where things might be heading to. But all right, fellas, have a good evening.